It's time for some PD. I'll do this screencast just to show you how to get in and begin your learning on Google. You can type in Google for Education in the search bar. You can type in Google Level 1, Education Training. All of those things work. And you go to Training and Professional for Education. And here you can start training. Fundamentals courses. Let's see what else we have here. Advanced training. Look at all these great courses you can take, even supporting English language learners. You can also be certified as a level 1 and then level 2 certification. Now, of course, I can't find it. Certification in the Teacher Center. Distinguish yourself as an educator. This is where I went for educator level 1. Now that I've completed that, I can go into educator level 2. And here is where I can go ahead and get my training. Sorry about the dog. She's seeing somebody out there walking, I think. Become a certified. At the end of this course, to be ready to prove your knowledge. I scrolled all the way down. Now I can go ahead and get started and get practice. When you hit this button to register for the level 2 exam, those cost. So I paid $10 for my level 1 exam, and they gave me an 8-day window to take it. The exams do take 3 hours, and it's pretty comprehensive. So go through all of the training modules, and once you register, they'll send you links for that. And good luck. Let me know if you have any other questions. Bye.